In this video, we are going to show you ZOSI all-new wireless security camera C190. Open the box. You will see a quick start guide. A C190 camera. A power adapter. A mounting hole sticker. A mounting screw back. And a waterproof lid. Power on the camera. You will hear the voice prompt. Device is waiting to connect.
Device is waiting to connect.
And the green indicator light will turn on. Remember to download the ZOSI Smart app, register an account, and log into the app before connecting the camera. Now let's open ZOSI Smart app. Log in. Then click the plus icon in the top right corner. Select Add Device via AP. Then the phone will automatically connect to the device Wi-Fi hotspot and display the monitoring image. Here is the list of the nearby Wi-Fi searched by the device. Search the correct Wi-Fi. Enter the Wi-Fi password.
Wireless configuration succeed. Wireless connecting. Please wait.
The device is connected successfully. Now let's check out the latest human figure detection, sound and light alarm system, and the 3 counts of night vision mode of this camera. Click Setting in the top right corner. Click Smart Detection. Select Sound and Light Alerts. Click Alert Mode. Select Sound and Light Alerts. You can set the detection sensitivity here based on your actual needs. Click Detection Mode. Select Humanoid. Then return to the live streaming video. Now let's move on to the night vision setting. Click Setting in the top right corner. Click Night Vision Mode, and you will see 3 counts of night vision modes. Black and white night vision means infrared LEDs on. Night vision is black and white. Color night vision means white lights on, light up your way in the dark. Night vision is full color. Smart night vision means black and white night vision by default. White lights will be automatically triggered by human figure and switch to color night vision at the same time. By the way, this camera also supports 2-way audio. On the live streaming video page, you can see the microphone and speaker icons. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions or suggestions. Here is our contact information.